What's up guys? Got a new product today that from the design, I absolutely love it and I've used their stuff a lot. Check it out. The new Fastway Flash Force ball mount. So sick. 18,000 pound trailer weight, stowable, 1 year warranty, 2-inch and 2 5/16. The two trailers I have are a 2-inch and 2 5/16, so it's perfect. Super stoked to use this for the new boat. Check it out. Let's get her opened up. It is sick. It looks a lot like the B&M. Supposedly, it is supposed to be even better. Dang. Nice and stout. The welds look good. It blows my mind how many things you get and the welds are just crap. One could be a tiny bit prettier, I guess, but the welds on here, there's a little bit of splatter and stuff. Could be a little bit cleaner there, but it's pretty good. This one's got the 2.5-inch shank for my truck, 7.5-inch drop. I love that you can do that, right? That's stowed right there. Let's throw her on, see how she looks in the truck. So yes, if it's all the way down, you can stow it. The only issue with that, not a huge issue, I guess. So that works. To stow it, you're gonna drop it down anyway, so it's not like you're not gonna adjust it. So it works like that. It was just out of the box. But yeah, and I'll show you how it works. So you pull these two pins out. When you get that pin out, it'll drop down like this, and then we can just go lift it up to where we want it. Throw your pins back in. Got it all in. Definitely stout, definitely super well built. I'm really excited. I love the ease of switching the ball, just rotating it. You see my other hitch over there. It's still a Fastway product. I love the Fastway hitches. It's just not quite as easy, but this one I'm really excited about. It will be super easy. The other thing I was thinking is right there it's on a 2 5/16. If you go to stow it, it's gonna be the 2-inch anyway. So for me, it's not gonna matter. The boat and flatbed are 2 5/16. If I do want to stow it, I can stow it as high as I want. So that'll be sweet. And then worst case, like I said, you just pull that pin out, dink, flip it, and then you can always stow it as long as the 2 inches on the top in the back. Stow as high as you want. You can always stow even if the 2 5/16 is pointing up, if it was all the way dropped down. I'm not sure about the shorter ones, but that'd be my only concern with anything less than the 7.5-inch drop. Is it may be a little bit harder to stow on the tow and stow because of the way the Ford hitch is built. But yeah, super excited, super awesome product. Can't wait to use it.